In this video, we're going to take a look at the tasks for Google Sites as part of the COJUSD Google Certified Student Program. So when we take a look at our checklist, the first thing in our list is to create a new site. So you can do so by going to the Google Sites website, which is sites.google.com/new. And when you get there, if you just click blank right here, it'll start a new site for you. Second on our checklist is that we have to title this site. We're going to title it Avengers Endgame. So up here on the top left corner, we're going to title it right here. Click in there and we'll rename it Avengers Endgame. And I enter. And it also changes it right here. We're also going to put that as our main page title here. So we're going to call this one Avengers Endgame. Next on our checklist, we need to add a text box to the homepage and type a sentence about the Avengers. So over here on the right side, this is going to be your toolbar over here where you're going to be spending a lot of time when you want to add things to your site. So the first one we see there is text box. So when I click text box, it adds a box that I can write in here on the web page. So I'm going to type a sentence about the Avengers. So I'm going to say the Avengers are a superhero team created by Marvel Comics. Next on our checklist is we need to add 2 new pages to our website. So our right now our website only has 1 page. Well, you can see here we're going to add 2 more pages. So to do so, we'll go back to our toolbox. You'll see a button here for pages. Click there. Then we scroll down to the bottom, click the plus button, and we're going to put in our new page. The first page that we're going to put in there is going to be titled Images. Done. You can see now that it's been added, a new page has been added. So the first page that we did is called Home Page, and each page that we add is going to be added up here in the navigation. So I'm going to click the plus button again to add my second page. This one's going to be titled Videos. Next in our checklist, it is going to ask us to, on the images page, insert the image of the Avengers logo by URL or image address. So what I've done here, I've gone over and I've done a search for the Avengers logo in Google, and I'm going to click on the images right here. That shows me the different versions of the Avengers logo. So I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to click on it. And then once it opens up here, I'm going to right click on the actual on this image here, and I'm going to go to copy image address. Don't do copy image. You must select copy image address. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the image address to insert it to my website. Now I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to click on the images page. And I'm going to click here, insert, now that I'm on the images page. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here to images, and then I'm going to hit select. I'm going to click by URL. I'm going to paste that image address that I had just copied from my search. And once the image shows up, you know that it's a good solid link. Sometimes if it says an error, it's a bad link. You may have to go find a different picture. But in this case, the link worked, and then I click Insert Image. Next on our checklist, I'm going to go over to my my videos page. I click Pages, then I click right here in Videos. And on the videos page, I'm going to insert a Captain America hammer YouTube video. So there's a great scene in Avengers Endgame where the crowd went wild when Captain America got to hold and use Thor's hammer. So we're going to find a video clip of that from YouTube and put it on the videos page here of our website. So I'm going to go back to Insert. I scroll down here, there's a YouTube button. I'm going to click the YouTube button. And in the search bar, I'm going to type in Captain America Hammer. Then do the search. And here is a good one right here, 2-minute video. Click on it, and then I hit select. And it puts the video right here into, into our website. Next on our checklist, on the video page, we're going to embed a YouTube video about Captain Marvel, but it's going to be different from the way we did it last time. Last time we searched YouTube from within Google Sites. Now we're going to find a video that we want, copy the link, and then embed it into the site using the link. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do a quick little search. We're going to look up Captain Marvel. And I'll just choose this first one right here. I'm going to click on the video. And I'm going to go up and I'm going to, right here where it says share, I'm going to hit the copy button to copy the link. And then I'm going to use this link to embed the video onto my website. And now that we have the link to that video copied, I'm going to now embed it here on the videos page. So if I come over here into the embed button here on my toolbar, and I'm going to paste that right here. And once we see the preview, click insert, and it's now added to my website. Next thing we're going to do is insert your Avengers doc from the Google Docs portion of the program to your homepage. So what I'm going to do is come over to Pages, click on Home, take me back to my homepage, and I'm going to put my Avengers document. So I'm going to go back to Insert right here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click on Drive. And my Google Drive is going to open up, and I'm going to find my Avengers doc. There it is, the Avengers. And I click Insert, and that document is now onto my homepage of the website. Next thing we're going to do is insert our Marvel Characters Google Slides presentation that you did during the Google Slides portion of the program. So I'm going to go back to my Drive, and I'm going to look for the Marvel Characters Slides presentation. And I'm going to scroll down, go looking for it. There it is. Click on it, hit insert, and now those slides are there on my homepage. The last thing on our checklist we have to do is to add a classmate as an editor. Very easy to do. Up here on the top right of your toolbar at the top, you'll see a little button here for sharing. That's the button you want to hit. And simply, like you would do with anything with Google, you're going to put someone's name in there and share it with them. So, name in there, here we go. It says editor. I don't need to change that because I want them to be able to edit. Click send. And just like that, this would be the end of your Google Sites tasks.